What's going on, everybody? We're back. We're out front. As you can see, the Hoonigan display. Let's go check out some cars. Pastrana's car right there. Show is about done for today, but people still here. Ken Block's daughter's car. They got the burn yard going over here too, but that's done for the day as well. Try to get that to that later in the week. Testarossa, wide body. What's your guys' thoughts on that? Comment below what you think. Believe it's a 280. Crazy custom though. Twin turbo Viper motor in it. Wow.
Yeah, it's one at 11 and one at 3.
Check this out, check this out. Stretched Golf. Kind of like an El Camino wannabe. Party in the front, business in the rear.
Oh, I forgot to turn on the lights for this. Every single day. That's different.
I will own one of these one day.
Hey, Chris.
Love square bodies. If anybody wants to buy me one, let me know. Please donate. Old milk truck, patina. The metal work on this is awesome. Would love to roll down the strip in this. The attention to details is awesome. I'm assuming that it's a 1945. $1957 milk. That was close. American Force truck booth. Desert trucks right there. All right, that's a little taste of the Hoonigan area. We're gonna get up out of here. That's end of day one. Thank you for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for more. Head over to OnlyDetailersShop.com. Make sure to pick up some merchandise. Head over to the TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You know what to do. And we will see you in the next video.